Hello again everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am at Holy Trinity Church, Barnt Green, and I'm here to see Lord Austin's final resting place. Herbert Austin was the founder of the Austin car factory. Here it is, in loving memory of Herbert Austin, 1st Baron Austin of Longbridge, born 8th November 1866, died 23rd of May 1941, and his wife Helen, Lady Austin, who died the year before. So the Austin Motor Factory closed in 2005 as the MG Rover car factory. Beautiful church on top of the Lickey Hills. I'll see you on the next one.